Hello, it's me, Jack, and today we're gonna read Biscuit Goes Camping. By Alyssa Kapukili, or what? Last name hard to pronounce. Pictures by Pat Scory. I'm not good at pronouncing last names out of anyone's except mine. And just to tell you, my last name isn't Channel. It's just this YouTube channel is just called Jack's Channel, not my last name is Channel. This way, Biscuit. It's time to go camping. Woof woof. Or like a, I don't know, 4 or 5-year-olds be my first reader. Yeah, some books for older people and some books for younger. But I'm thinking of doing Harry Potter next summer. We have our tent. Woof! We have a flashlight and blankets too. Woof woof! Silly Pup. Oh, did I show you? Okay. Silly puppy, no tugging. It's time to go camping. Woof woof. Wait, Biscuit, what have you found? Woof woof. Croak. You found a frog, Biscuit. Woof woof. Woo woo. Funny puppy, that's only the wind, Biscuit. There's so many new nights and sights and sounds when you go camping. Woo! Oh, Biscuit, what have you found now? Woof woof. Blink blink. It's a firefly, Biscuit. The firefly says goodnight. It's time for us. I think I might have caught cold. Yeah, I have a cold. Not COVID, just cold. It's time for us to say goodnight too, Biscuit. Curl up, Biscuit. Woof woof. I'm a little sleepy this morning because I just woke up from going to an amusement park, staying up late. Crack, crack, boom, boom. Oh no, here comes the rain. How can we go camping now? Woof woof. Biscuit, wait for me. Woof. Smart puppy. Puppy, you found the perfect place to go camping. Blink, blink. Woof, woof. Oh, no. Good night, Biscuit. Okay, that's the end of the story for today. See you tomorrow. Goodbye. Well, see you today again. I usually do usually do more than one videos today. Every day. Bye.